Hey guys, it's Maya, and today you're catching me on a really tough day for my skin. I got bumps and lumps everywhere. I got a lot of dryness, which means I need something to rehydrate me for all these goddamn video calls. Today I will be doing a review of some Belif products that were free and complimentary. I did not purchase these. They were sent to me. So yeah, let's get started. So, trying out the True Cream Aqua Bomb Aloe Vera and the Aqua Bomb Increased Hydration Level. I don't know. I think they're the same, but their formulas might be different. Let's see. First, I'm gonna try out. We're gonna try out this one first, because it has aloe vera. See it? Will it focus? Excuse my nails. It's like, bam! It's the Believe in Truth. Try it out. Ooh, nice seal on it. Ooh, different than what I thought. Top situation. Look how pretty it is. Let's give it a try. This has a dime-sized amount, so I'm just gonna use like some of the stuff that's on the top here. And we're gonna go bloop. We'll do one side and then see a difference. Does smell amazing. Smells really good. Definitely seeing the glossy shine of it all. Maybe get it a little bit in my hairs, you know, I don't care. Get on the ear. Massaging it into my eye, massaging it above my eye. I usually don't do a lot for, well, I don't know. I try and do quality skincare, but I've been a little bit lacking. Okay, this is one side. You can already see like I got product on, but I'm not mad about it. It definitely is super hydrating. Makes my skin feel nice. No immediate burning. Love it. Ooh. But, okay. So it's both sides. Side one, side two. Do you have a good side? Let me know. I think they both feel great. They both are definitely hydrating. Like, I already feel like I have like a lot of dryness on my nose right now, and I feel like that's already like soothing a lot of it, which I'm super appreciative of. I've been blowing my nose a lot, like, you know, just touching my face because I've been indoors all day and like all I want to do is like get my face together, but they feel delightful. I don't know. I'm just happy, like, I can tell already that my skin is like way less dry, and that excites me. I don't feel any irritation in my eyes. I love the smells. And yeah, I'm gonna try and add it to my routine and see, you know.
3 days later.
Hey friends, it's Maya, just updating you on the Belif Aloe hydration products that I've been trying for a couple of days. Honestly, my skin feels so hydrated. It doesn't feel like greasy or there's like a lot of residue after I've been using it. I did have a little bit of irritation like with some of my bumps, but I think it was just like getting rid of excess oil. But I've been putting it on in the morning. I keep it in the fridge so it's nice and cool when I put it on. And sometimes I do it at night, but I like the morning feel. It definitely gets my skin ready for the rest of the day. So thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe and comment down below if you liked my review, if you want to see more, what more you want to see, if you want to leave a kind message, that's nice too. And I hope you guys are having a great day and staying safe. Bye y'all.